This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use different page orientations in the same document in Google Docs. Here I have a document with 2 pages, and let's suppose I want the first page to be in portrait mode and the second page to be in landscape mode. What you do is you put your cursor at the end of the page before the page that you want to change. Then you go to Insert, then you select Break, then you select Section Break. After you have done that, you want to make sure your cursor is on that second page, select File, then select Page Setup, then change your orientation. Notice that the Apply To field is already filled with this section, Section 2, which is the section of the document that you are editing now. If you click on that, you will also see the option to change the orientation and margins for the entire document and this section forward if you had multiple pages after that you also wanted to change. So I'm going to select this section, Section 2, then select Landscape, then press OK. Now, this page is in landscape mode. After doing that, I can take this picture and wrap text to make the format or the appearance of that page different. If I want to do this again for the next page, perhaps making this portrait mode again, you're going to insert another section break and then go to File, then select Page Setup, then for Section 3, select Portrait. And notice you can also change the margins for different pages using the same method. So now that third page is in portrait mode. If you want to change all of the pages after a certain page, what you do is you put your cursor on the first page of the set of pages that you want to change, select File, then select Page Setup, then select this section forward in the Apply To menu, then select your page orientation, which for me here will be landscape, then select OK. And now every page after that page will be landscape. So this video shows you how you can change the orientation of different pages inside of the same Google Doc. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.